What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest, simplest way to pass evaluation accounts with prop firms to get payouts or just to make money in your own personal accounts, however you want to do it. But I'm going to show you the easiest, simplest way to do that in this video, so stay tuned. So the strategy I'm going to be using in this video is simply flag patterns. I'm going to be waiting for bull flags and bear flags, just perfect flag patterns, and that's my setup. I'm not going to trade anything else. I'm waiting for those to play out. So once we hop into the charts and we start looking at the price action, I'll explain what I consider a perfect A+ setup for a flag pattern. So stay tuned. Alright, so right here I'm currently on the 2-minute time frame, and that is the time frame that I'll be taking most trades. But I will sometimes use the 1-minute time frame, and I will use the 9 EMA kind of as my signal, just to show me if there's enough strength in the move that I'm looking at. But right now you can see it's pre-market, so today is May 27th, 7:52 a.m. This is the NQ, the NASDAQ mini contracts. That's what I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be trading 2 contracts at a time. And let's just hop over to the 5-minute to zoom out. I also have another monitor, but you guys can't see that. And I have the 4-hour and the 15-minute charts pulled up on that. So on this monitor that you guys can see, I'm going to be bouncing around from the 5-minute to the 2-minute and 1-minute. So as you can see here, we are getting, it looks like we're getting a push down, possibly going to break down below VWAP. That's this white line here. But right now, let's go to the 15-minute so y'all can see that. But this is why I'm not currently taking a trade, just because all this chop right here where we had all these wicks to the upside and downside, that's just a lot of chop. And right now we're still holding at the VWAP for now, so I'm not going to be taking any trades yet. I'm waiting to see some clear momentum with nothing in the way. Like the VWAP can't be in the way, a major support or resistance can't be in the way. I need to see some momentum in my favor before I take a setup. So I'm just going to sit and wait. I might end up waiting until market opens here in about 30 minutes and then see if we get some strong momentum off of that. So just time to wait. And I guess I should mention what platform I'm using, which prop firm I'm currently using for these evaluation accounts. I'm trading with 2 evaluation accounts. If you look down at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says Tradeify. These are just 50K evaluation accounts, which means pretty much in a test phase, I have to hit a $3,000 profit target. And once I hit that, I think I go to like a pro account type deal, and then I just have to hit another target to get above a buffer, and then I can take daily payouts from that account. So this is where consistency and patience plays a big part. So that's why I'm only trading these flag patterns, because I know they have a high win rate. So if I just wait for these patterns to play out and just take my 10 points when I get it, and then just only take those perfect setups, I know that over the course of several days I will pass these evals and I will get payouts. So the main thing is consistency, just locking in profits, sticking to a certain strategy. So that's what I'm going to do. So, you know, this does show $50,000. That's just the evaluation account, so keep that in mind. And as you can see over here, this ATM strategy, that just shows my risk to reward. So that means I'm risking 40 ticks to make 40 ticks on every trade. That's a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And 40 ticks, it's in ticks, there's not points on here. This is NinjaTrader that I'm using. So as far as I know, it's only in ticks. So this equals 10 points, 4 ticks per point. So every trade I take with this strategy is going to be risking 10 points to make 10 points. But with with a win rate of what should be well over 70%. Most flag patterns have a 70% win rate, but I'm only going to be taking the best flag pattern setups. So I should have more like an 80 to 90% win rate, but over the course of this video series, I'll have the data to prove it. I'm going to be writing everything down, and I think Tradeify probably even tracks that in the journal for me. So I'll have some data. By the time I get these accounts funded, I'll have enough data to see about what my win rate is. Excuse me, but that's the plan. Just the flag patterns, high win rate, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That's plenty as long as you have a high win rate. So right now, still pre-market, just waiting for some clear direction. So I might be waiting until market opens. So more patience.
Submitted.
All right, let's see if we can get this 10 points. A little bit further, keep pushing.
Fulfilled.
Okay, so I got out of that early just because I didn't like the way it was looking, but I would have gotten my 10 points. So I always try to be careful the first 15 minutes of market open. So that's why I took those profits early. But already up over $500 between those two accounts, so that's not too bad. All right, let's see if we keep going down. It looks like we're getting some strong momentum to the downside, so let's see if this continues. Our 15-minute candle is looking pretty nasty. But that looks good. On the 1-minute chart, that looks good. We'll take it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I really need to get it to push a little further. I may have to lock this one in early if we get it back in the green. Let's see if we can get a few points. Push, push, push. We really need to push really fast on this. Come on, give me 10 points. 5 or 10 points at least, come on. That wasn't really the best setup. I should have waited on that. Move my stop up just a little. See if we can get one push to the upside. Don't really like this so far, so I'm moving my stop up.
failed.
Okay, so I think I took a little bit of a loss on one of the accounts on that. It was just taking too long to play out. It still might play out, but I didn't like it.
Submitted.
Let's see if we can get this 10 points here, or if we need a deeper pullback, just keep a tight stop right here. Come on, a few more points, few more points. Stop to break even. Come on, hit the target. There we go.
Canceled.
10 points right there. As you can see down here, currently up over $1,100 between these two accounts on the day. So that's pretty awesome already. 9:17 a.m. Perfect flag pattern played out. So I'm not going to press my luck right now. So I'm just going to give the market some time because I really want to see a pullback on a bigger time frame. Like at least the 2 minute or 5 minute, I'd like to see a pullback. Something like maybe down to here and then continue up like this. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm just going to be patient. It looks like we might get one more little trade right here. If we break above this.
Submitted.
Come on, one more little push to the upside. Come on, come on, come on.
You want me to start that again?
Just a minute, hold on.
Okay. Tell me whenever you need me to start it, okay?
Took it off at 5 points. So now you can see I'm up 800 in this account, 753 in this account. So that's over 1,500 bucks in just 4 trades. So now I will continue to wait for that pullback like I was talking about, maybe a deeper pullback. Okay, so as you can see here on the 5 minute time frame, it looks like we might be kind of topping out a little bit. We could go a little higher, but the higher this goes, the less chance of a winning trade we have because it's already so overextended. So we really need a pullback somewhere down around in here and then see continuation. But it could take a couple hours for that to happen. And I'm already up pretty good on the day, over 1,500 between these two accounts. That's a really good start to these evaluation accounts. So I don't want to risk giving back what I've already made. And to me, this just isn't looking too good from here. This is the 15-minute chart. Looks like we're losing momentum. So a pullback's probably needed now. So I'm just going to walk away and get this video uploaded and just pick back up tomorrow. So thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to the channel and check back tomorrow. And I'll just pick up from here, see what the price action is like tomorrow, and see if I can't have another successful day of trading. Today I took 4 trades And like I said, I'm up over $1,500 already, so maybe tomorrow we can have another day like that. So, try out this strategy yourself. All you have to do is wait for the flag patterns, make sure the momentum's in your favor, and just, manage the risk. I'm doing a 1-to-1, and then I'm just kind of just using my own discretion to adjust my stop loss, tighten up the stop loss if the trade's not playing out as planned, or if the price action is taking too long to hit my target. I'm happy with locking in 4 or 5 points. When I'm trading 2 NQs, that's still a decent amount of money. And then when the momentum is there, I just let it run and let it hit my 10-point target. So it's all about being patient, waiting for the setup, and just locking in the money when it's there. And when you're up pretty good on the day like this, sometimes it's better to walk away. And I've got other stuff to do today anyways, so I'm just going to call it right there. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and check out tomorrow's video. Peace out.